Welcome to homework.
For the distribution of x individual snake lengths, the distribution is approximately normal since the lengths of snakes are modeled by a normal distribution. The mean is 126.5212 centimeters. And the standard deviation is 5.5295 centimeters. And so we want to compute the following about the distribution of x and the distribution of the sample mean. The distribution of x is also approximately normal due to the central limit theorem. The mean is going to be the same. The standard deviation is the standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size, which is going to be the 5.5295 over the square root of 33 to 7 decimal places. Is 0.962562 4. Okay. For part B, what's the probability that the average length in this sample will be between 125.68 and 127.32? Well, we need z-scores. And so we'll have a z-score for 127.32. I'll do the other one first. 125.68. And 127.32 minus the mean over the standard error. It'll be negative 0.8739. And 0.8299. So that probability is for a z-score to be between these two values. And this to 7 places using the standard normal table or the z distribution table. This comes out to 0.6056117. The probability that a single snake will be more than 125.49. Subtract from the mean and over the standard deviation 5.5 295. Is a z-score of negative 0.1865, and we want the probability that it is more than to 7 decimal places. Is 0.5739 700. And 56% of the time, the average length for a sample of 33 snakes will be at least how many centimeters? The probability that z is greater than negative negative 0.151 is equal to 0.56. So when we want the probability, or we want to find the average length for a sample of 33 snakes that'll be at least this many decimals, we go to our z-score formula, and this will be the square root of n here. So we need a z-score of negative 1.151. With our mean of 126.5 212 and our standard deviation of 5.295 over the square root of 33. So multiply 5.5295 over the square root of 33 and then add 126.5212. We want this to 7 decimals, which is 126.375853.1.